Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
Here at Hoppe's, we believe there are 4 major components to gun care: cleaning, brushing, drying, and oiling. I'm John Vaca, and I'm here to walk you through it. For the first step, which is cleaning, we've selected the Prom 7 foaming gun cleaner. The cleaning process starts by applying a liberal amount of the Prom 7 cleaning foam into the barrel. Now once the foam starts backing up, we're going to tip the barrel down to get the foam running down the entire length of the barrel, and we're going to go ahead and give it another shot or two. Make sure to have a rag handy for when you've got the barrel tipped up to catch the solvent that's coming through the barrel. Now we're going to bring in our bore snake. The bore snakes can help us with all 4 areas of our gun care program, from the cleaning to the brushing to the drying to the oiling. Now the bore snake has a rope with a brass weight on one end which will help pull that rope in the bore snake through the barrel. It's also marked with the specific caliber or gauge of the gun that it's corresponding to. So after the cleaning foam has had a chance to set for a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more to the front part of the bore snake and run it down the entire length of the barrel. This is going to complete the first 3 steps. It's going to clean it, it's going to brush it, and it's going to dry it. Now that we've completed the first 3 steps, we're going to the 4th and final step, which is oiling. I'm going to use this Prom 7 LPX. This LPX will permeate the metal inside the barrel and leave a fine, thin coating that will protect the metal. And we have completed the 4th and final step. We've cleaned it, we've brushed it, we've dried it, and now we've oiled it. The bore of this gun is ready to be put away. It's totally and completely protected. If you'd like more information on any of the products that you've seen here today, please come visit us at hoppes.com.